What is going on, everyone? Alessandro here, and today I have something very special for you, a new meme coin that I'm buying up right now. It is called Alpha Pepe, so the first of its kind Pepe meme coin called Alpha Pepe. We're gonna have a look into that, guys, because this is a completely new meme coin on the Binance chain, so not on Ethereum, guys, on Binance. So it's first of its kind, and this is all purely about the meme coin. So it's only purely about Pepe. As you can see, no BS utility promises, nothing. It's just about the meme, like the original Pepe or Doge at that time before it came out. You can see here all the details on the website. The ticker is Alpe, short and sweet, and there is a total supply of exactly 1 billion. Not too much and not too little. So I am buying currently into this new coin, guys, and of course I want to show you how to do that. And also, if you want to follow me up, the name or the website is alphapepe.io. That's the only official website, alphapepe.io. And the pre-market phase just started recently. They raised over $33,000 within like 24 hours. And as you can see, this one is raising more and more, now at $40,000. And I am currently buying basically at the first stage. And you still can do that as well. So if you're watching this video early enough, then you should have enough time to also buy in at basically the first stage of this pre-market phase. So right here at the beginning. And most of it is going out during the pre-market phase. So we're gonna have a look into that, guys. Welcome everyone. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel. I keep you updated every day what is going on here in the crypto space, and of course also what I'm buying, what I'm selling, what I'm trading, and so on. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here a crypto YouTuber. I'm a dude here on YouTube, guys, sharing all my ideas, whatever I'm buying, whatever I'm selling with you guys. So if you want to be following me, then be subscribed on this crazy channel. And of course we're gonna have a look into new coins as well, such as Alpha Pepe. Especially whenever something new is launched, I like to be just invested from day one and then just let it run and wait for the launch and then act, of course. That's why also be subscribed here, because I'm always updating all projects every day and check out if there are major updates or launch dates and so on. So that's why if you are especially invested in one of the projects that I'm buying, be subscribed here, because then I keep you updated on them. Links in the video description also for Alpha Pepe, guys. Then you end up here on the website where you can check out all the details about this project. Of course, also the white paper, everything is very, very transparent here. So you can read everything about the project, how it's made. The complete white paper is listed up here. You can just check it out. Also here you have a nice dashboard and so on. Follow up also their X account. They're just getting started, guys. Like in not even 24 hours, they got already 100 followers here. Telegram as well. So they're just getting started. You can really be part one or in the like first stage of this project since day one together with me here. And this is all working on the BNB chain. And this is why also here, I think I have some BNBs here on the sideline that I can demonstrate you how to buy into this coin. So we're going to use BNB now, so the Binance chain. You can, of course, also use Tether, but on the Binance chain, not on the Ethereum chain. But here I'm going to use this one. And you can see here the current price. This is the starting price of the pre-market phase, and you can see that the price is always increasing until it is reaching the listing price. And then this one is getting out on exchanges, on DEXs, and so on. We don't know yet, of course, what day and also what exchanges that this coin will be listed at. But of course, we can basically buy since the beginning here at this price here, half of a cent. And this one keeps increasing until it's reaching this level. Once it's reaching 5 cents, it's basically like 10x from the current price. And then, of course, hopefully it will continue to pump, because like that, we have here a great entry point here in stage one. And there is also a trailer, everything about here the project, if you want to check it out, guys. This is the trailer of Alpha Pepe. So it's really just like a from zero to moon meme coin. There is just everything about the meme of Pepe and nothing else. And the good thing about this one, or the interesting thing about this one that really makes me also buy more, or that came into my idea to buy a lot here, is of course because of the tokenomics. Most of it's coming out during the pre-market phase, and also they are going to have these USDT pools coming out soon as well. So you can watch the trailer and the sound, everything on the website as well, guys. But something very, very interesting here is everything about here this USDT pool. If you go to the dashboard, you can see here recent transactions. So people that bought here into this one, you can see that this one is running since like 2 days only. And very soon there will be this USDT pool. So here staking will be enabled soon, hopefully, because then those USDT pools will be coming up. And then the more you buy into this coin, the more you can earn, even during the pre-market phase. So you can earn USDTs just by buying those coins, stake it here, lock it here on the website and get USDTs. So there will be these USDT pools that you can take advantage on even during the pre-market phase. So we're gonna see how much we can get there, and also how much is needed, of course, to get like a decent kind of passive income. We will see if that is going to be possible thanks to this USDT pool. And also they have already the audits here, the third-party audits out from Block Seifu. You can see here 100% scale, so everything is very secure here based on Block Seifu, so based on the third-party audit here. And that is also very, very important that those projects are always audited, basically, because then you can really see that there is no rug pull possible, or basically everything is okay with the project. They have the contract address, the symbol, everything is perfectly fine here with the potential launch of the coin itself. But of course, we have to hope that the coin will come out at some point, and also that it's getting listed in different exchanges, and that also it is getting hyped and so on, because like that also people then are interested in this meme coin. Because if there is no interest, you can have the best product in the world. If there is no hype behind it, or no one is buying it up, it is just going down to zero. And that's why also here important that the hype keeps growing, and that also people are getting on board, because then I think also this one here has the chance to become a good meme coin. And that's why I'm buying up here during the first stage of this pre-market phase, guys. If you want to be following me, use the official website alphapepe.io. And there is also no team tokens, no claiming, nothing. You buy and tokens are instantly in your wallet here as soon as you're buying it in. And of course, we're waiting then later on for the claim of the tokens into exchanges once they're getting listed. But right now, we can only buy the coins and wait also until the staking is enabled and so on. And this is stage one. So this is really the first stage of this pre-market phase. And that's why, let's see here, what this one is going to do. But I think that if they're pushing nicely here into TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and so on, and of course also their community is getting bigger and bigger, then here also we have a great opportunity to get on board here during this last phase of this bull cycle for Bitcoin and for the altcoins. And once the altcoins are starting to skyrocket, I think that all sort of new coins like this one here has great upside potential. Of course, no promises, guys. Everything can happen here in the crypto space. Suddenly a coin can disappear. Suddenly a coin can pump 10,000x. We have seen so many things here in the crypto world, and that's why I like to be invested here since 2017, also into new ICOs and new meme coins and new projects and so on, especially when they have to do with Doge or Pepe. Then I like to buy into those coins. And here also, if you want to get on board, then go here to the dashboard here on the right side of the website, link in the video description, and then you can easily just connect here your wallet. I'm already connected, but I'm gonna disconnect and show you again how to do that. You connect here to whatever wallet is supported. As you can see, also Coinbase, Trust Wallet, Rainbow, and so on. I like to use MetaMask, so I'm gonna select MetaMask here, and then I'm immediately connected. So I have here some BNBs loaded up. Let's show you how you can also buy into this one if you want, guys. I'm going to buy now into this coin. Let's select here the amount that we would like to invest, BNB or USDT. I'm gonna select BNB, and let's buy for 0.05, so that we also gonna cover some fees. So I'm gonna buy here 6,500 Altpe coins, so Alpha Pepe coins. Let's click here buy now, and then you can see here the transaction window. That basically is asking me, MetaMask is asking me, do you want to buy those tokens? Yes, I want to buy. And then transaction is done and we have to wait. So you see here, successfully purchased 6,500 tokens, and they are now here on my website here staked, and not staked yet, but they are locked here. And you can now, if you scroll down, let me check it out. Somewhere you're gonna have also the contract address, because we can add already the contract address here, as you can see. Let's copy that, and let's go now to MetaMask. You see the transaction is done. Now I bought the coins. I go here to my coins. I click here import token. From wallet to wallet it's differently, but on this one here it's how you do that. You click here customize token, and then you click here BNB smart chain. Then we copy paste here the contract address. Then you see here Alpe, the token. Let's click OK. Next, Alpha Pepe. import. So, and now I should have my Alpha Pepe somewhere here. Where are they? You can see that I have many coins here. Here, you see Alpe. My coins are here in my wallet. This is how you can display then your coins here in the wallet. And since they're not live yet, since they're not tradable yet, of course you're gonna see the value 0. That's totally normal. Even at launch, you're gonna see that. But with the time, there will be data then incoming here into your DeFi wallet, and once there are prices on DEXs, at least on DEXs or later on exchanges, then you're gonna see here also the value. And meanwhile, you can of course also not really swap it because there is no value, there is no price yet for the coin until launch. So you can keep accumulating the coins, you can put them into your wallet, but remember guys, that here you cannot trade the coins until launch. And we can buy as many as we can here for this price. It keeps increasing with every stage. This is the first stage until it reaches this price, and this will be the listing price then on exchanges. So in theory, you can calculate this price here by the tokens that you're buying right now that you can see here in your wallet at launch. And then of course we're going to see what happens with the token. And this is very early stage, so be prepared that this one will take some time until it is coming out. But right now we have the chance to be on board into this one here before the next price increase, which will be in 14 hours. So every time that the countdown is going down to 0, the price will increase into the next step, and then of course we have to buy at higher prices. So if you want to be in here since stage 1, the link is in the video description guys. Let me know, what do you think about Alpha Pepe? That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to keep you updated on this project and also on future projects that I'm buying in. So remember guys, all no financial advice. I'm just sharing everything that I'm buying with you. You can follow me up. You can also not follow me up, but you can of course also be just subscribed here to get every day the newest updates on Bitcoin, on the altcoins, and of course also new projects like this one here as well. Even just to have an idea what is going on out there in the crypto space. So be subscribed. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.